It's from Biker Outside again. Like, share, comment, subscribe, my friends. This is the channel we recommend. Now, family, listen. I have a confession. I have a confession, man. Oops, shoot. Might have been in gear. Now, my confession is I've never been on a motorway on a motorbike. Ever. Now, I used to be a bus driver, a coach driver. I'm a comfortable car driver. I drive everywhere on all them vehicles. But I've never done it on a bike. And I think the main reason is, I think it's the anxiety of being on such a vehicle, open space, no protection. And the anxiety is absolutely a lot. But come with me. I promise you, on my life, this is my first time doing this ever, and y'all are gonna come with me. Oi. And the maddest thing is, yeah, I'll probably do it, and I'm like flipping. Nah, that was fuck all, mate. That was nothing. But the build-up is always worse than the thing itself. So I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is, and we're going, just gonna do one junction down the M5. We're gonna see how that goes. Ugh. Come on, man. Helmet steaming up and all of that, man. I need to go. At the moment, how am I feeling? Whee! I'm feeling alright. Once I go on there, there's no turning back. That's it now. There's no turning back. Okay, so I'm on the M5, first time on the motorway, guys. Okay, alright. Okay. All this time I've built up this anxiety and it's not that bad. Oh man, let's go! Come on. A man says, frig it. We're going on the M5, yeah, so. Yeah, you know what? It's actually not that bad. It's actually not that bad. I do this in car, I do this on a coach, a bus. So for the first time in, what, 11 years, 10 years? I've had my license in 2015. Don't get me wrong, I haven't been on my bike every striking day like a car. But I've never been on the motorway, that's all I know. A-road's cool, but motorway, I never did it. I've done it. And you guys came with me to do it, man. Well, I don't come off at it yet, so I'm still at it, but me. So yeah, that's one fear conquered. So you see what happens now is the more fears you conquer, the more doors and opportunities you open. Do you get me? And you know what, I'm doing it in not the best weather as well. Like flipping out, it's wet. Flipping windy, the visor's flipping moving mad, and I'm here on the motorway in some of the worst conditions. Come on, gotta give me a big up for that, man. Come on, family. You might sound crazy, you know, but those who don't know, and it, like, for some people, the motorway anxiety in a car is problematic, let alone a bike. Do you know what I mean? And I know that, especially for a bike, the anxiety for the motorway was a lot, but just done it. Like, yeah, man. Big up to the family that was telling me from before that, mate, once you do it, you're gonna say, mate, like, what was I worried about? But yeah, man. So another thing unlocked. You get me? So when I'm ready, you know, when the sun's out, it's nice and warm, just jump on the motor and me gone to London, me gone to this place, me gone to that place, you know them ways there. Imagine when I bought this for Wolverhampton, but it was at night. And I want to tell you, sir, I did not want to come back on the motorway. And if you see the video from before, it was flipping pitch black, these A roads and that. And I might as well did jump on the blasted motorway. You know what I'm saying? Like, but yeah. So let this be a lesson to you guys. Conquer your fears, man. Because you know, sometimes when you're afraid of something, the build up to it is normally worse than doing the thing. Do you get me? Now, like I says, over 10 years I've had my bike license. I've probably had a bike for the past, I don't know, 7 years. And I wouldn't have stepped foot on the motorway. I wanted to, but the fear was holding me back, innit? So you guys have just come with me. I've just gone down the motorway. You know, I just done one junction, but yeah, I'm not fussed about the motorway now. Straight away, I'm looking at this thing thinking, mate, all this time, yeah, you idiot, brethren. But yeah, man, kind of gas still. Achievement accomplished, man. Achievement accomplished, unlocked. Probably thinks that's some big thing. And you know something, it's mad, you know, because where I just was, if I was to come back on the normal A roads, it would have took me 10 years, mate. But just, you know what I mean, just slipping down the motorway, it's a quick thing. So yeah, there you have it. I just conquered my fear of the motorway on a bike with you guys. You guys came with me. So yeah, thanks for that. Maybe having a camera on and stuff has helped me as well, I don't know. But yeah, man. Anyway, family, I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Remember, everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. Alright? Manners. Peace.